Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I want to install FileBrowser on our OpenMediaVault 8 server, so we can view the backup files on the USB stick. We start on the wiki page from OpenMediaVault Extras. You see here plugins available for OpenMediaVault 8. If we go down, you see all the plugins. Here down, FileBrowser. This one we're gonna install today, so we can view the backups from the previous video. You see here we have an official site, FileBrowser. I've opened it already. You see it here, filebrowser.org. We have a lot of examples, also documentation. And we go to our OpenMediaVault 8 dashboard. We can log in. Voilà, we are at the dashboard. You see we have updates available. It's always good practice to update the system before you install anything new. So updates available, you click on it and install updates. Confirm, yes. It's only one update, so it's going to be quickly. Et voilà. End of line, no errors, everything is okay. You close it. You see we have to apply. So click on apply. Yes. Et voilà. Everything is okay. You have notifications. So you see here, apply the configuration changes. And remove that. That's okay. Now we go to System, Plugins. As you can see, we have OpenMediaVault Extras. I have installed that in a previous video. Also backup, again, from a previous video. So today we go to Plugins. See here all the plugins. And we search for FileBrowser. See it here, OpenMediaVault FileBrowser 8.0/6. We select it and install. Confirm. Yes. Again, end of line and no errors. You can close it. Et voilà. We are back to the start screen, to the dashboard. Now we go to Services and FileBrowser. You see it here, it's admin, so login and password. We enable FileBrowser. We have the port 3670. In my case, that's okay, but you can change that. If you want, you can create certificates, and we need to select a shared folder. In my case, it's very simple. It's the backup folder from the previous videos. So we select backup, save it. And we need to apply it. Apply, yes. It's only 1 minute. Et voilà. Our FileBrowser is configured and is okay. So now we can open it. Open. We open a new browser window and we do admin. Password, also admin. We log in and we see, we can remove, and we see our OpenMediaVault backup. We can open it and see all the files from the previous video. We go to settings for user management, and we edit the password. See here, enter password and do it again. So I create a new password. Do it again. Update. And voila. User is updated. You have also two-factor authentication and more things you can use. Save it. And voila. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.